morning, good afternoon, good evening. So welcome back to Figs Outside. So today I'm going to go over my EDC, my everyday carry. This is what I carry on me all the time. Anytime I go to town, go to church, go to the grocery store, whatever the case may be, I carry. Check your local laws and regulations, and please, I urge you to carry. I urge you to carry concealed. This is not the same safe world that we as kids grew up in. Just look at the media, look at the news that's going on, just all the shootings, and it's good to be able to protect yourself, your family, or to save or possibly protect other lives. There's nothing in this world that says you need to be a victim. So anyway, here we go. So of course, the stuff that I'm going to be showing you, I've made other videos, and this is the whole kit. So if you haven't seen my other videos about the holster, the trauma kit, the flashlights, check them all out. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And with that, this stuff, I will be posting the links below in the description. All right, so here we go. Got my holster, little pew pew action. I urge you carry with one in the chamber if you were comfortable to do so. Practice, but I always recommend with a semi-automatic you carry one in the pipe in the chamber ready to go, because when you need it the most, you're not going to have time to hold on and try to get that round in there. So anyway, there's that. Here's the holster. Tier 1 concealed, awesome holster, great. Got a spare mag right there. These things are great. I've been wearing this for about, I think, going on 2.5, 3 months. Love it. Wear it all the time. Wear it every day. So there's that. And then also with that, I carry the, this was just the one that I carry. It's small, it's compact, very lightweight. Got a nice clip on it, stainless steel, goes in the pocket. It's got a nice strike bezel on it. It's got different modes of brightness. So carrying with a weapon, what are the odds that you're going to get into a gunfight? The percentage and the odds is very, very small. It's very, very small. But what is the percentage that it's going to get dark? It's going to get dark 100% guaranteed every day. It's going to get dark. So I always recommend carrying a flashlight, whether it's just for looking for something in your vehicle, you drop your car keys, it's dark out. It's just smart to carry a light. Someone's approaching you, you're not too sure, you get up in their face with the light, blind them. Anyway, helps you to see better. So there's that. Also, my trauma kit. I did a video on this as well. Warrior Poet Society. This is the ankle IFAC trauma kit. This thing is great, super comfortable. You can set it up, you can buy the whole kit, or you can buy just the ankle piece and then make your own kit. It's got a lot of stuff on there. And as well, a lot of people just want to carry their weapon and just call it a day. But it's super smart to carry a trauma kit with you, whether it's for you, for a friend, a family member. If there is a shooting and you got to try to save a life, whether it's your own or someone else's, it's always better to have than to not have. So anyway, this has got a lot of stuff with it. Check out my other video. But what I have added to this kit is the Hyphen chest seal. It's for sucking chest wounds. Great to have. It's just, it fits in there really well. It goes right behind the tourniquet. So there it is there. Trauma kit, holster, flashlight, and the pew pew. So anyway, there it is. That's what I carry every day. Love it. It's great. check your local laws and regulations, please. Be sure that you fall in compliance with those laws and regulations. Also, I noticed in one of my other videos, somebody emailed me and asked that they noticed that I carry an extended mag with this G27. Normally they're 9 rounds. This one is a G22 mag, 15 rounder. Anyway, so with that, what it is it is the X-Grip mag sleeve. You get these, or I get them through the Glock store. They sell them for many different applications. You find the weapon that you have and that the mags that you're going to carry, and they sell these sleeves, and some of them are textured, some of them are just like this. What I did notice with this one though, with these mag sleeves, is that they were pretty loose on there. You know, they kind of, I didn't, you know, they just kind of slid pretty easy. So what I did at the base of them, at the base of the mags, I just added a just one little strip of black electrical tape. Mag went on there, the sleeve goes on there. I was just kind of careful, and then it sticks pretty well with that, and so doesn't slide around as much. There it is. So adds the grip, adds the, so anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope this video just helps you out and maybe makes a couple light bulbs go on what you need to carry and what you should carry. These are just my opinions, and so if it does help you out, like I said earlier in the video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Have a good day.